Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Apex Legends failed to decode Oodle Pak file. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, verify game files. To do this, open up Steam and right click on the Apex Legends and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. If you are using EA launcher, then you just need to open it and select the manage and select the repair option. After getting repair done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2 is to clear cache for origin users. To do this, you just need to click on this arrow icon, and if origin is running in the background, then right click on it and exit it. After that, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to check my video description for this run command. Just copy the first command and paste it and click on OK. In this folder, you just need to delete everything except local content folder. Except this local content folder, delete everything. I already done this. After deleting it, just close stuff here. Now again go to search menu and type run. You just need to check my video description for this run command. Just copy it and paste it. Click on OK. Now find origin folder. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting the origin folder, just close stuff here. Go to search menu and type run again and select click on open it. And now copy the third command and paste it in the run command and click on OK. Now find origin and right click on it and select delete it. After deleting the origin folder, just close stuff here. Now you just need to restart origin and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3 is to check for disk errors. Sometimes disk errors can corrupt game files. Run a disk check can resolve the issue. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. Type Y in keyboard and press enter. The volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. Now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4 is to update a graphics driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD write-on software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After updating it, just to close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5 is to reinstall Apex Legends. If the error persists, consider reinstalling the game. To do this, open up Steam or EA app and right click on the game and select manage and select uninstall. After getting uninstalled, and select the install option and install the game. After getting the clean installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the 6th method guys. 6th method is to check for system updates. Ensure your Windows system is fully updated. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.